Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming what's causing the gap and taking quick measurements so you know targets. Use 3 points across the seam. Once done, slightly loosen the bumper bolts, 1/4 to 1/2 turn, so the assembly can move without dropping. Make sure to protect painted surfaces with tape and keep shims and a torque wrench within reach. You do this because controlled movement prevents overcorrection and paint damage. Then you can begin nudging the panel into alignment. Now you methodically adjust. Nudge the bumper while a helper holds the next panel to maintain even pressure. Work in small increments to avoid warping. Insert plastic or rubber shims to hold corrected spacing. Choose thicknesses in 0.5 mm steps until gaps match. Make sure to check latch engagement and hood or trunk shut function as you go, because correct mechanical alignment prevents stress on clips. If fasteners feel tight, back off and finish by tightening bolts to factory torque. In the same sequence you loosen them, while holding the panels aligned, this locks the correction. Once torqued, verify gap consistency and function of lights and sensors. If you see persistent unevenness, check for broken clips or bent brackets. Replace parts rather than over-tightening. One key troubleshooting tip: if gaps come back after driving, a distorted mounting boss is likely. Inspect under the bumper and replace the bracket to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.